the mini split AC is not something new. It is a common requirement for people who are looking forward to finding a better cooling solution. In this video, we will discuss the 5 best mini split ACs. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Senville Mini Split AC. The Senville Mini Split AC can easily fulfill your search for a high-quality mini split air conditioner with versatile ability. Senville is a renowned brand that is known for combining efficiency, affordability, and advanced performance with inverter technology. From the many high-quality solutions that the brand has been providing, the Lido series of mini split ACs can be an excellent solution for your needs. You can enjoy a cool and controlled living space that also has exceptional heating ability, so that you can get the desired temperature inside your home. Whether it is a shipping container home, RV, or a tiny home, this tiny mini split AC will get the job done without much headache. One of the biggest benefits of choosing the inverter technology of this brand is that it saves 20% on utility bills. 19 SEER efficiency of this air conditioner makes it a good choice for you to get proper cooling. Some of the other notable features on this mini split AC include sleep functionality, eco mode, turbo, multi-fan speed, automatic restart, and proper angle airflow. The additional 5 years of warranty provided by the manufacturer ensures peace of mind and keeps the unit protected. Number 2. Pioneer Mini Split AC. Pioneer is a leading name in the world of electronics. This company has constantly been providing its consumers with a range of wall-mounted mini split AC systems. They understand varying requirements with affordable prices. Of the many high-quality and great mini split air conditioners, the Pioneer Y018G20 is worth buying because of its high-quality features. It has an ultra-high efficiency of 18 BTU, which provides excellent cooling efficiency. It is rated with 19 SEER efficiency to cool and ensure maintaining the energy or utility bills. The voltage requirement of this unit is 282 or 30 V, keeping in mind the need for a quiet system. This air conditioner has been engineered with a noise range of only 60 Hz. It is also a great heating system that helps you to maintain an ideal temperature inside your home, whether you use it for your residential purpose or commercial use. This air conditioner can be a great inclusion. The package includes every essential component that you need, with 16 feet of copper piping. Being engineered with louvers and a quiet fan mechanism helps to sleep. Number 3. Klimaire Mini Split AC. Klimaire is a brand known for its intelligent technology. The inverter technology of this brand ensures optimizing the use of energy, thereby reducing the electric bill. The exceptional heating and cooling ability make it a great choice for several requirements. The unit has 24,000 BTU, which gives it the capability of cooling 1,500 square feet. It has been rated with 18.5 SEER, which ensures reduced energy bills. The package includes 15 feet of installation kit, outdoor bracket, interconnecting, and remote control to install the unit easily. The 25-foot refrigerant line has been pre-charged with R410A. It also includes the auto clean functionality, which prevents air pollution and mildew growth. It is a great choice to maintain healthy interior air quality. Number 4. The Mrcool Mini Split AC. A comfortable home needs a lot of investment, especially in the air conditioners or heating systems. Mrcool is a known brand that has been providing high-quality heat pumps and air conditioners to its consumers. The cutting-edge design and latest functionalities ensure the air comfort that you are looking for inside your home. It is highly efficient and can deliver excellent air quality throughout. This 18,000 BTU system can cover up to 750 square feet. The intelligent design includes easy use of this system through voice and app control. You can use it simply from anywhere through the Android or Apple smart device and Wi-Fi connection. Rated with 20C ensures taking care of the utility bills throughout. As the manufacturer is aware of the noise level, it has been designed with only a 32 dB noise level, which means it does not make any noise. You will be able to enjoy a sound sleep with this system. One of the finest functionality of this unit is the Follow Me function, which will maintain the air temperature around you to provide maximum comfort. Number 5. Cooper & Hunter Mini Split AC. Cooper & Hunter is a name that you all have heard of. When it comes to buying an electronics unit like Mini Split AC, this brand would never go off the list. A ductless mini split AC from this brand is one of the best choices as it has exceptional features. It has been rated with 12,000 BTU to cool your room efficiently. Rated with 20C ensures saving a lot on utility bills. Additionally, it has been certified by ETL and ARI, which ensures the safety of the unit. The unit has already been included with R410A refrigerant. It can also work as a heating unit. Included by the Whisper technology on this unit ensures a quiet operation, making it a great choice for commercial and residential use. However, you must keep in mind that it is not a DIY installation unit, but requires professionals.
All product pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.